So in this video, I'm going to show you one simple technique to rank number one in Google. So I'm going to show you an easy way how you could do this. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to show you how to rank number one on Google, and guys, it's very simple. Okay, it's not complicated at all. So the first thing which you need is have words that you want to rank for on your website, which means I'm going to show it to you right now. So imagine this is your website, okay, and then you need to find a keyword. So sorry, I'm writing with the mouse. Okay, so imagine what is a keyword. Basically, keyword is what people are searching on your website. So let's say for example, this is your keyword, antique clock. Okay, so now this thing should be on your website. Okay, so the first criteria to rank on Google is have the words that you want to rank for on your website, which means this is our keyword, it should be on our website. So these keywords can be in the title, they can be in the description, they can be on the image, on the image attribute, they can be everywhere on your website. So make sure whatever keyword you want to rank for should be on your website. Okay, and then also make sure that you don't overdo it. Okay, so let's say I'm ranking for antique clocks. Okay, so which means I don't have to, on my website I don't have to say that this is an antique clock and I love the antique clock and this antique clock would do this. So just don't overdo it, just sound and make it as natural as possible, and just put your keywords on your website. So this is the first criteria, have the words that you want to rank for on your website. And also make sure that whenever you are finding a keyword, so find a low competition keyword, which means people are searching for it, high traffic. Okay, high traffic and low competition, which means a lot of people are searching for this keyword on Google, but there are less websites about it. Okay, so which means that it would be easier for us to rank. For example, let's say I had this keyword called, so now these are the two keywords. So the first one is bonsai tree. Okay, which means this has a less competition and high traffic, so which means this is really good for us. But the second one, make money online. Okay, it's a very tough competition where there is a lot of people which are searching for this keyword, as well as there are a lot of websites which have this keyword on their website, which means it is very difficult for us. So the first criteria is always find a low competition but high traffic keyword, and then that keyword should be on your website. So if you would like to know how to find a low competition and high traffic keyword, I have created a free crash course. Everything's inside over there, go and check it out right now. I've explained you how you could find a low competition high traffic keyword. So now we are done with this. Now I'm gonna go to the second point. So the second point is the other quality sites linking to your website, which means let's say this is your website. Okay, so let's say this is your website and you have a keyword which is again low competition and high traffic, which means a lot of people are searching for this keyword. Okay, so now you write a blog about bonsai tree. Okay, so now if we go back to our second point, other quality sites linking to our website. So let's say there are websites, high authority websites like Wikipedia, okay, or CNN. Okay, these are very high authority websites, they have a lot of links inside them, and as per Google they are very high authority. So let's say these websites, okay, these websites, they link your article, okay, to their website. They say that on Wikipedia they say that if you want to learn more about bonsai tree, you need to look at your website. Or even CNN says that there's a really good article on how to grow a bonsai tree in this article, which means they are giving you points, plus 1 point depending on the website, plus 2 points. So the higher authority the website is, the more points you get. Okay, so these are called other. So again, second point, other quality sites linking to your website. So in SEO terms, this is called backlinking. Okay, just let me make it big. It's called backlinking, which means there are high authority websites linking to your website. So only two criteria you need to rank on Google. The first one is have the keyword on your website. Okay, just make sure you don't just overdo it, just mention it here and there. which is called search engine optimization on your website. And the second thing is high authority websites linking to your website. Also to note that, so you can't link small websites. So let's say you can't, imagine this is your website again, and there are some small websites which no one knows about it. They link your article to their website, which won't count as that much as compared to Wikipedia. So small blogs, small websites, if they link your post, it won't count as much. So you need high authority websites. So once you understand that, these are the two things which you need. Now I'm going to show you one easiest way to rank on Google. So very simple, guys. If you have heard about these websites, let me know. Okay, if you have heard about Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Okay, so what if these websites link? So what you do is, let's say this is your keyword, you post on Facebook, okay, you post on Twitter, you post on Pinterest, you post on all the social media sites. Okay, so now what would happen is you're sharing it right now. Okay, so now again what you'll do is you'll get +1 backlink, +1 backlink, +1 backlink. Okay, so now just think about it. These are very high authority websites. Okay, Google thinks they have a really high domain rank. So basically Google ranks, the higher the number, the high authority the website is. So Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and even other social media websites like Tumblr as well. Even Tumblr is there, even that's there. Okay, so it's linking over here. So again +1 from Tumblr as well. So now what will happen is, now you're sharing all your content on these websites. Now what will happen is you need to write a content in such a way that, let's say, write viral content. So imagine you write a viral content on how to grow, like, whatever your keyword is. Imagine when you share on Facebook and then people reshare it. Okay, so people start resharing it. So imagine they get, your post gets 200 times reshared, this post gets 200 times reshares, this post get 200 times reshares, which means you're getting a lot of backlinks. Okay, so which means your website would be easy to rank #1 on Google. So again, reshares on viral content. Okay, and writing viral content is really easy, guys. It's simple as it is. I'm just going to show it to you right now, but just get an idea. To rank #1 on Google, you need to have a keyword on your website, and the second thing is other high quality websites linking to your site. And to do that is very easy. Just share it on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, a lot of other social media platforms, and then create viral content. How do you create viral content? It's very easy. In my free course, I've explained you all that. I'm just gonna give you one example right now so you can get an idea about it. So guys, head over to BuzzSumo. Okay, so basically BuzzSumo is a website where it finds all the viral content on the internet and then shows it to you. You can use, it's a free trial. There are a lot of other ways as well, but this is one way. I've mentioned it in my course, but this is one way. So let's say you're typing about, let's say, fitness. Okay, just search over here, and as you could see right now, okay, joggers lunch collapse after running with face mask. So you can start a free trial and you can unlock a lot of things, but just giving you an example, 73-year-old lady shares her inspirational fitness journey. So let's open that. Imagine this one is having 600k backlinks, which means this would rank high in Google. And if I open it, it's not that, imagine this one, they are making a lot of money with ads. You could see a lot of AdSense is approved, but it's not a big post. It's such a small post as well, guys. And then you could make something similar to it. Okay, write something similar to it. Just catch the headline is very important. You can write 20-year-old man shares his inspirational fitness journey, or 50-year-old man shares his fitness journey. You can write something similar and share it on Facebook, and trust me, you're going to get a lot of backlinks, and then you'll get tons of traffic. You could monetize your website. There are a lot of things which you could do. So again, so this is the idea. You can write viral content, and there are a lot of other things as well. And even if you just write a really good article, and that article, that keyword is low competition, you would be easily able to rank. Okay, so I think so that's it for today's video, and this is how, very simple, guys. Don't make it complicated. Ranking on Google is very easy. Okay, Very easy, it's not that complicated. So I hope you really like this video, and also please join my free course. I've created a free course where I explain you everything. The link is down below, so go and check it out right now, where I explain you how to get traffic, how to build your brand. A lot of things are there inside it, how to make money with Facebook, Twitter. So go and check it out.